Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Upstart for medical expense financing in 2025. So if you have unexpected medical bills, Upstart loans can help you to cover costs without resorting to high interest credit cards. So here are the steps. The first is to estimate the total medical cost. So you're gonna get an itemized bill from your healthcare provider, including cost of for future treatments as well as medications or procedures. And once you have those estimates, the next is to check your loan offers. So pre-qualify for a loan on Upstart's website, and once you get there, you want to compare the loan terms with hospital payment plans to find the best option. Next is going to be to apply for the loan. So submit necessary documents like ID verification and income proof, and then choose a repayment term that fits your specific budget. Next is to pay your medical bill. So use the loan funds to pay your hospital or provider directly. And if your provider offers a discount for upfront payment, then you want to negotiate for lower cost. Lastly, repay the loan in fixed monthly installments. You can also set up automatic payments to avoid, missing any payments. You also want to consider early repayments to save on interest, as Upstart has no prepayment penalty, so you can go ahead and take full advantage of that to pay on time, or rather early, and that helps you to save on interest. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.